In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're setting up your business finances or just organizing your records, having a well-organized chart of accounts is crucial. This essential feature helps you categorize all of your business transactions, making financial management much more efficient and straightforward. First, let's navigate to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the left panel of your screen. Here, you'll find a menu that's your gateway to all things financial. Look for the Transactions tab. Clicking on it will unfold a variety of options, but today, we're zoning in on one particular feature, the Chart of Accounts. Click on the Chart of Accounts tab, and you'll see a comprehensive list of existing accounts that are categorized neatly for your convenience. Now, if you're looking to expand this list, or if you're setting up your accounts for the first time, you'll need to add a new account. This is a seamless process thanks to QuickBooks' user-friendly interface. You'll notice a button titled New Account, strategically placed at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on this button, and you'll be directed to a new page dedicated to the creation process of your new account. Here comes the part where you add in all the critical details for your new account. You'll be prompted to input the account name, which should be both descriptive and concise, as it'll appear in your financial documents. Next, you'll select the account type. QuickBooks offers a range of options here, tailored to suit various purposes, such as assets, liabilities, income, or expenses. Choose the category that best matches your new account's intended use. Closely following this selection is the Detail Type field. This field allows you to specify the type of account more precisely, offering options that vary depending on the account type you selected earlier. Finally, in the Description section, a brief explanation can be added. While this step is optional, it often helps in further clarifying the intended purpose or nature of the account, especially when used by multiple individuals within an organization. Once you've painstakingly filled out all of the necessary details, cross-check the information to ensure accuracy. When everything looks good, take a moment to breathe because you're just one step away from finalizing your new account. To complete this process, head to the bottom right of the page and click the Save button. Within moments, your brand new account will seamlessly integrate into your chart of accounts, ready for action. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks and some key details, you've successfully expanded your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online, paving the way towards even greater financial organization and clarity.